What's up, guys? Back at it, baby. But this time we're on a kayak. I am walking to my kayak. I already put it down on the lake, but pretty much I am at that same spot of the same that from the last video that I posted when I caught the turtle and those two fish. I'm gonna try to fish that little area again, but on my kayak. But I'm gonna try to fish it a little bit quick, and then I want to go to the another side of the lake, a piece of lake as well. And I'm gonna fish that spot too as well on my kayak. But man, your boy is lacking today. He didn't forget. I got my paddles, but my paddles have a clip inside it to connect both paddles together, and I totally forgot it. So I'm gonna be cruising with one paddle, half a paddle I mean. But I am not gonna go too far because I do not want to get stuck out there just with 1.5 paddle. But oh well, happens. It is a pretty long drive, or like 30-minute drive, so I ain't not gonna go back home and get that little piece to connect both units. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fish pretty hard. It is 7 a.m. in the morning. I got until 12 noon, so hopefully we could catch something. Hopefully we could catch some decent bass. It did rain last night, so hopefully it doesn't affect me, but the water seems pretty calm. But yeah, guys, I'll get back to y'all on my GoPro. Hopefully we catch something gnarly, guys. Alright, guys. We are gonna paddle all the way to the back side. I'm gonna try to fish this little back end of the lake. It's the same spot from the last video, but we're gonna throw some casts right now. But I want to get a little bit back here and then work my way out of it, and then I want to try to go on the other side. But look at this. I have my other half over here, and then I have this half. Man, I'm freaking slacking today. And then look, my little thing broke. My kayak thing broke. My rotor. I could fix it, but it's gonna take me some time to fix it. But I'll fix it later. I really don't need it. But yeah, guys, hopefully we could catch something juicy tonight, baby. Back on the boat, on the kayak, I mean. Hopefully we could get some good fish for y'all. All right, let's get some casts. Let's get some lines out there. Start whooping it out. Oh, you know, I want to start with the saucy swimmer. I'm gonna throw this around, see if we get it's pretty early, guys. I should be throwing some top water right now that I have the window open, but I really want to throw this bait around. You saw that? Something right there. I think that was it didn't look like a bass. It looked like what do you call that? I forgot those fish. Those nasty fish people don't really like catching. Can't remember the name of them. But yeah, oh, I think I got a bite there. Maybe it was just rocks, who knows. Good thing the water's not that choppy today, because man, I would have been struggling. Just keep throwing the saucy swimmer around. Probably throw some top water right now before the window goes away. I don't know, because it's supposedly the weather's pretty cloudy today, so I might have a bigger window to throw my top water. Want to catch something. Man, I really want to throw that top water. I should pull it out. In my top one, I'm gonna start off with the buzzbait. You guys seen that buzzbait in the last video? It's the same buzzbait with the little shad. I really want to throw that around. See if we can get a reaction bite, a topwater bite. Oh, that's a freaking man! I just saw it right here, popped up again on me. Alright guys, I'm coming way back here. Last time I caught the fish, I was around this area, but I'm trying to go way back there, see if there's something hidden back there, or see how deep it is back there, because I couldn't get back there because I was gonna have to walk out that bank, and that's a pretty steep bank, and I did not want to walk that bank. Let's throw a couple casts here. Hopefully we could catch something, guys. I do want to start off the video pretty juicy. Yeah guys, hopefully you could catch something good. You see over there, it's pretty shallow. I can see that on the GoPro way back there. It's pretty damn shallow. Sometimes these bass like to go back there once in a while for bait, to trap their bait. Hopefully we could get something. But yeah guys, I'll get back to you once I catch something. Oh, got one. Got one, guys. Oh, he's a little fighter. It's a small one. It's a small one. It's your small one. Yeah, little dinker, guys. Little dinker. Right there on the trees where it's supposed to be. Sucks. I was not on the kayak because I was rigging up my rods, because I did get a backlash on that because I hit my kayak, and this I was tying a leader line, and I finished, and I just had little cast right underneath the tree, and then we caught this little dinker. At least we didn't get the skunk. We got one little one, but oh well. Let it go. Laters. Oh, come on. Rag me. Oh, baby. Yes, sir. Look at that. I felt it, man. I knew. First one on the kayak. It's a beautiful smallmouth. Look at that. Nice little dinker. I love the colors of these smallmouth. You could tell it's a smallmouth because of the color. They're really dark, kind of spotted too. You could tell on the tongue too. They're like a rough patch. Look at that beautiful little smallmouth. Man, I've been catching nothing but dinkers today. Second dinker, but oh well. At least they're not skunks. At least we caught 2 of them. And look at this beautiful little bass. It's cute. Put him back in the water. Laters.